a gentle breeze. We've planted seeds of knowledge, watch them start to grow. With a guiding hand of care, in their eyes we glow. Now as summer beckons, we'll regroup and dream anew. For in every child's journey, there's a part of you. Bentley sailing into summer, on these waves we'll glide. Teach us heart and soul invested in each child's stride. From the lessons and the laughter, now we take our ease. Sailing into summer on a gentle breeze. So here's to every teacher, our mission and our pride. With sharp stone and mat beside us, we've weathered every tide. Bentley sailing into summer, bidding school goodbye.